Hey everyone, welcome to this session on Introduction to React. Have you ever wondered how modern web applications like Facebook, Instagram, and Netflix are built? They use a powerful JavaScript library called React. In this video, we will take you through an introduction to React covering what it is, why it is so popular, and how it works. Let's get started. So, what exactly is React? React is a JavaScript library used to build user interface for website and web apps. Think of it as a tool that helps developers create fast, interactive, and scalable web applications. It was developed by Facebook in 2013 and is now maintained by Meta along with a large community of developers. If you have used dynamic applications like Facebook, Instagram, or Airbnb, you have already experienced React in action. Let's take a quick look at how React started. React was created by Jordan Walk, a software engineer at Facebook, to solve a big problem performance issue in complex web application. Facebook needed a way to update only part of web page instead of reloading the entire page. That's how React was born. Over the years, React has evolved, introducing powerful features that make development faster and smoother. So why do developers love React? Here are four key reasons. Here is the first reason, a reusable component. React breaks a web page into small reusable components so you don't have to write the same code again and again. Then the second one is a fast performance. Thanks for React Virtual DOM. It updates only the parts of the page that change, making website super fast. Then the third is easy to learn. If you know basic HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you can start learning React quickly. Then the fourth one is the last one, large community support. React has an active developer community, tons of tutorials and ready to use library. Now React uses a special technology called a virtual DOM. Let me explain. Here you can see normally when you change something on a web page, the whole page reloads. This slows things down. React solves this. It creates a virtual DOM, a light copy of the actual DOM. When something changes, React compares the new virtual DOM with the old one and updates only the changes. This makes React application blazing fast. To build a React app, you need to understand four key concepts. Like we use components like it is the small reusable pieces of UI. Examples: a button, a header, or a form, etc., etc. Then the next is JSX, JavaScript XML. It's a special way to write HTML inside JavaScript. It makes React code clean and readable. Then the third is props. It means properties. It's used to pass data between components. And the last one is a state. It's a way to store and manage data inside a component. It helps in updating the UI dynamically. Before learning React, make sure you are familiar with this JavaScript concept like variables and data types for understanding where, let, and const along strings, numbers, and arrays. All the things including arrow functions you need to know. Then the ES6 plus features like template, literal, distracting, and rest spread operators. Then the fourth is DOM manipulations. It's how JavaScript interacts with web page. Then the event and event handling, handling user interaction like clicks and inputs. Then promises async and await, working with API calls. Then the array methods using map, filter, and reduce in React. Now the last is a module array, import, export, organizing your React code. Then the object oriented programming, like a basic concept of object classes and prototypes you need to know. And closure and scopes, knowing how JavaScript handles variable in different functions and blocks. Ready to get started? Here what you need: learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript basics, install Node.js needed for React, use VS Code or any code editor, a React project setup using create React app command. So friends, so that's quickly introduction to React. We cover what React is, why it is so popular, and how it works, the basic you need to know before learning it. So React is a fast, efficient, and easy to learn. It uses components JSX and a virtual DOM for better performance. If you know basic JavaScript, you can start building React apps today. In the next session, we will set up a React project. See you in the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.